Okay, so you're finally ready. They had to clean house. Anyway, this is going to be Quinn and Tyler showing us a tour of their Passport. What is it?
Passport by Cobra.
And in the comments, I'll put a link to their YouTube channel, which they are going to put some more content on, right?
Did you say so?
I say so. Okay, so this is Tyler.
Hello.
Say hi. This is Quin. Can't see her, it's too dark.
Well, this is the kitchen.
Okay. You have to talk loud because there's a train. I could never make a video.
Alright, so we completely... Is this still recording? It's not. Is this still recording?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it is.
Yeah. The screen just goes black.
Okay. Alright, so we completely remodeled, tore out all of the wallpaper. There is pretty significant water damage. So we had to replace all of the walls, and we puttied them up. As you can kind of see here, there's some uneven walls here.
Right.
These are the kitties. This is Timon, and that's Rafiki. This is where we sleep. This is the dining area.
Tell them about all the...
About your channel, how you do some cooking.
Our garage. And here there was carpet, and we tore that up and replaced it with this tile. And for those of you traveling with kitties, this has been really helpful. We just put a board down on our tub. It's still accessible. We can just take that off. And that's where we keep the litter boxes. We do have a YouTube channel. We're hoping to put more videos on. We're just in Olympia, and now we are here visiting this lovely lady. And I'm going to let Tyler take over because I don't know what else to talk about.
What all did you say already? Alright. Well, if Quinn already mentioned everything, that she redid a lot of this, all this backsplash is just like kind of the stick-on paper that kind of looks like marble, but it was cheap and lightweight, so we decided to go with this. Quinn and her dad made these countertop boards that cover the sink. They were originally cutting boards, but then they put on a board underneath so that they fit flush with the sink. It makes it a lot nicer looking, and it's also nice to have extra counter space too. After living in an RV, it's hard to find space to put things, and I think she already mentioned before, this is kind of what we made into our garage area.
Recreational area.
Recreation garage area. And there used to be the master bedroom back here, but we took that out because we decided we would just sleep up above the bed, above the driver's seat, right up there. So then we just used this opportunity to put our bikes in here, since we like to mountain bike, road bike, and we have a little cat trailer back there so we can bring the kitties along our little adventures. These are both of our closets. As you can see, it's pretty stuffed. And yeah, they're pretty ridiculous, but they're packed with clothes, and you realize that you brought way more than enough clothes after you get on the road. This is Quinn's closet here on the other side. These are little sock drawers. Kind of nice just to have our own little spaces. This is also our little bathroom area. We were going to take out this sink originally, but we were kind of on a time crunch. We did all the renovations in a month, so we kind of had to choose our time wisely. It's actually become pretty useful because after a while you stop looking at yourself in the mirror. It's nice to have something to look at. And then she already said that yeah, we took all the carpet out of here and put in the stick-on tile. It looks a lot better. It's a lot easier to clean with the cat litter boxes. Our shower still functions, but we just chose to put a board on top of it and put our cat litter boxes in here. That way the bathroom area is the bathroom area for humans and cats. It's been working out really, really well. And this was just a board underneath here So we decided to take it out, put a new board underneath, and create a compartment underneath here, which kind of just slides open and out, and that's where we keep all of our toilet paper and our shampoo and everything. It's nice to have storage for everything. It's something that you appreciate once you live in a smaller space. And you already met Rafiki, the white kitty cat. He's adorable, but he is also a little shit sometimes. And this is Timon. He's a sweetheart. Watches out for his deaf little brother. Other than that, that is our rig. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And the camera back to Lori.
Oh boy.
Here you go.
Okay, so that's it for right now. I'll bring you back later if I end up with something else to tell you that's brand new and fun. Toodles.
Awesome.
Okay,
Alrighty, we're blowing the joint.
All right. See ya.
Bye, Lori.
Be safe. Oy. Like an obstacle course out here. Won't start. You gotta stay. Oh, dang. And Quinn and Tyler are leaving. Tried to talk them into staying for a week, but they weren't having it. The kitty in the window. They pulled into the alley here because I have a dump area. Bye guys. So sweet. What a lovely couple. They're from Wisconsin. I don't know if they told you or not. Let's go over here. Anyway, they came from Wisconsin, and they're on boondockers.com, so they found my place to stay. Anyway, they tried to pay me because I let them plug in because it was cold last night. And they hooked up with water and they had electricity, and then they dumped back there and they tried to pay me. Get out of here. Anyway, that's it for today. Kids are on their way south. They're going to go up the Coast Highway and spend... The heck they go that way for? They went the wrong way, I think. Anyway, so they're going up the Coast Highway. We're going to spend the night tonight, I think, in Monterey.